Hello everyone, happy November 16th. Today we celebrate fast food tolerance and the joy of quick comfort. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Fast Food Day, a tasty tribute to drive-through delights and guilty pleasures. A great gift could be a fast food gift card, a burger-themed blanket, or a quirky fry holder. What's your go-to order? Let's snack in the comments. Next, it's International Day for Tolerance, a global reminder to embrace diversity and understanding. A thoughtful gift could be a cultural cookbook, a unity bracelet, or a donation to a peace-building cause. What does tolerance mean to you? Let's reflect in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Button Day, a quirky celebration of fashion's tiniest heroes. A sweet gift could be a button craft kit, a vintage button collection, or a button-themed tote. Got a favorite buttoned-up look? Let's stitch it into the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.